Welcome. If you want to use Face Unlock on your ONEPLUS 8 Pro, for the first you have to click on the settings, and right now click on the security and lock screen, tap on the Face Unlock. Right now you have to input your lock method. In my case is the pattern. Tap on the add face data, click on the next, tap on the allow, and right now our smartphone is scanning our face, as you can see. In my case it might be a problem because there was the camera in front of me, but as you can see it works. So right now when I'm going to lock device and try to unlock, it is working. And just to show you that it really works, right now I'm gonna put the finger on the camera, and right now it cannot recognize our face, so we have to input the lock method, the pattern. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.